Hey, so today we have a very basic topic, but a very important one in understanding the human body. Every blink, every step, and every thought spends the same tiny energy packet over and over. And that packet is a molecule called ATP. ATP is short for adenosine triphosphate, and it is essentially the body's short-term energy molecule made inside our cells and used every time we need energy. Muscle cells use ATP when they contract. Brain cells use ATP every time nerve cells work. And our organs use ATP in the background, maintaining physiological function around the clock. The body doesn't keep a huge warehouse of ATP sitting around, so it makes it, spends it, and remakes it again in seconds. Each time a cell spends ATP for energy, it snaps off one of the three phosphate groups. ATP then drops down into a lower energy form called ADP, moving from triphosphate to diphosphate. The body then uses fuel from food to stick that phosphate back on, turning ADP back into ATP so it can be used again. This constant cycle of breaking and rebuilding is how we stay alive. Different systems help refill ATP depending on what is happening. During very short, powerful efforts, cells rely on stored chemicals that can help rebuild ATP quickly so strong movements can happen before fatigue sets in. During longer, steady activities, mitochondria, remember them, the powerhouse of the cell, use oxygen and nutrients from food to keep making new ATP more slowly but more efficiently. Even while resting, these systems quietly work together to keep ATP levels high enough so the next movement, breath, or thought is ready to go. So ATP is not just a chemistry term from a textbook. It is the common energy language that every cell in the body speaks all day long. Understanding ATP makes a lot of other topics click into place, like fatigue, muscle cramps, stamina, and even how the brain runs out of steam after a long day. All of the work we do comes back to how cells can make, spend, and recycle this same tiny bundle of energy, ATP. And that's a real thing. That's all I got for you today. Just this nugget along the way.